This little clip really is us having a look at hair types, the different hair types that we have when we're working on clients and how we define those. How would you be able to describe that in an exam, or describe them perhaps to someone who was asking you some questions in your synoptic practical? So looking at one of our first hair types is our Mongoloid, which is a really unusual name, but for us we probably would mostly say Asian hair. This technically is very straight. Now, can you remember what classification number that would be? So for us, that's classification number 1. The hair obviously can be quite resistant and is often coarse and dark in colour. If we're looking at the actual follicle, it would be really, really round. So the hair is growing out of a perfectly round follicle. And because of that, you can see here in the diagram, remember the dermal papilla is producing the keratin. So let's just write that word down. Okay, it's being produced in the dermal papilla. And remember, the blood capillaries are feeding the dermal papilla in order for good hair growth to be allowed. And that keratin